just under 5 minutes, we're going to show you how we can search exclusive talent from the best sources on the web using Voyager Infinity's iResearch browser. The beauty of this is that everything's going to be done directly from within Voyager Infinity, meaning we don't need to log into different websites, have multiple browser windows open. Our search is kept very focused, we don't get distracted, and ultimately this is just going to save us hours upon hours a week. So we're going to start with a new requirement or assignment or project or job from a client. Currently we've got nobody shortlisted. Now, assuming that you've already exhausted or searched your own database of candidates, then we're going to extend our search to iResearch here. And we can see that we've got some preset search destinations saved. At any moment we could add additional search destinations here, but the beauty of it is these are going to be very specific to you, so they're going to be preloaded every time you enter this screen, allowing you to simply enter your search term in the criteria box and have that pre-populated into all of those websites. So we're going to search LinkedIn initially because this is the most popular source. We've found the individual that we're looking for, and by simply viewing their profile we've got our options to either connect, send a message or an email. In the meantime, why not capture all of the information that's publicly available to you with the confidence that if you're adding this person to your system that the whole GDPR consent piece is taken care of, which Voyager Infinity easily manages as well. Now we can see that Google's also running a search. iResearch is very, very flexible. We can search lots of different sources. Now, you may or may not know about Gated Talent. It's an extensive database of exclusive C-level executives that you're unlikely to find anywhere else on the web. We can simply enter our targeted search, adding as many filters as we want or need to get to the people that we want to find. We can then start to build our own member network by sending connection requests either individually or en masse. When we then get approval and these people connect with us, we can then simply download their PDF profile just like we did from LinkedIn. So again, in just a couple of clicks, we're transferring all of this information from an online source into our own database for us to then effectively search and engage with. So let's see how this data arrives. Well, it's very simple. This is your inbox of incoming profiles. We simply double click to view the document that the website produced or the CV that we've downloaded from the job board, because all of these sources can be included too. We can see that the parser's dealt with this perfectly. It's a PDF, but it still doesn't cause any problems. We can see all of the contact details have been extracted. This person's been auto-skilled. The attributes have been tagged, cross-referencing with your own skills dictionary. The same with our job titles. The employment history gets pulled out as well. This allows us to review the information that Voyager Infinity's pulled out and then simply link this candidate with the project, the job or the assignment that we're working on. There we go, super quick, super easy. We'll turn this person into a candidate, they're added to the shortlist, we now move on to our next individual. As before, we get this nice document. This one again is a PDF, but there's no issues with the parser. You can see all of the key information's been extracted as before, filling out as much as possible. All of those contact details again. Imagine just how much time it would take you to copy and paste or to manually type all of this information up, to manually skill these people up. Literally within seconds we can review what Voyager Infinity has found. We can easily then link this person into that job, onto that shortlist or into the project, and we can then move forward from there. So we've added these two individuals to our system now. You can see that they've automatically also been added to the project. Now, assuming that we've had suitable conversations, we've got the relevant contact details, we can simply engage with them either on the phone or by using our comm center here, whereby we can use an email template which can have automatic attachments added, automatic follow-up calls scheduled for us, allowing us to focus on just clicking send. It couldn't be quicker, it couldn't be easier to search exclusive talent from multiple sources across the web. For more information on Voyager Infinity, visit voyagersoftware.com, call us on 0800 008 6262, and if you'd also like to find out a little bit more about Gated Talent, please mention that during the call. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Bye bye.